Hello, good morning, princess. How is my princess? How are you? My princess? How are you? Oh, dua na lang mo rin kaya kang friends, ne? Ay, rin kaya kang baby, ne? Just only three of you can, ne? Ano? Oh, wala. The other one. Did you miss the other one? Are you missing the other one? Yeah. Poor you. Poor you. Oh, yan. Malinis kayo, ha? Clean kayo, ne? Clean, very clean. Very good, very good. Okay. I'll see you later, yeah? Very good kayo, very good. This one, oh, it's beautiful, oh. You're one male, ne? One male. It's a beautiful piglet. Okay. Thank you, princess, and the piglets. Thank you very much. My poor piglet. Oh, ito. I am very sad, really. Namatay yung isang piggy. One of my piggy died. Ito naman, oh. Ito yung talagang ano, lalagyan ko ng ibang halaman. Ito yung pinaka-paborito ko dito. Mulberry bush. Mulberry bush. Mulberry bush. Kabunga niya, oh. Hitik sa bunga. Hitik sa bunga. I'm gonna collect them now after husband video it. Hitik sa bunga. Hitik sa bunga. Mulberry bush. Mulberry bush. Mulberry bush. Ito, oh. Mulberry bush. Yes?
Did you want that branch chopped off?
Yeah. I did chop it off. So that is out of your way. Hey. It's gonna tusok your eyeball.
It has mangoes on it.
No. I removed the mango.
Those big mangoes on the dark mangoes are just inside the gate. You've got to make sure they're left there.